Exercise 5.1, question number 4. Which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Question number 4, 7th part, 0, -4, -8, -12. इस क्वेश्चन में स्क्वेंस दे रखा है 0, -4, -8, -12. क्या ये स्क्वेंस जो है AP बनाता है? अगर AP बनाता है तो CD या कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करो और 3 मोर टर्म्स लिखो. 4 टर्म तो है, we have to write the T5, we have to write on the T6 and T7. Let's solve this question. T1, that is 0, that is first term. T2, that is -4. T3, that is -8, and T4, that is -12. Now T2 minus T1, we have T2 that is -4 minus T1 that is 0. T2 minus T1 that is -4. T3 minus T2, T3 क्या है -8 minus T2 क्या है -4. We have -8 plus 4 equivalent to -4. T4 minus T3. T4 that is -12 minus T3 that is -8. We have -12 plus 8 equivalent to 4, -4. Now T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3 equal to -4. Now common difference is -4 यानी कि D. Now we have to find the 4 टर्म दे रखी है. 5वीं टर्म T5, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. We apply this formula. A n क्या है यहाँ पे 5 minus 1. डिफरेंस कितना है यहाँ पे -4. A that is 0 plus 4 into -4 that is equal to 0 plus 0 minus 16. So T5 we have -16. Now we will find the T6. Apply this formula. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. A plus n कितना यहाँ पे 6 minus 1 डिफरेंस A plus 5 D. The value here that is 0. Value of D that is -4. So T6 equal to 0 minus 20. It means T6 equal to -20. Now we will find the T7. Apply Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. We have A plus 6D. A, the value that is 0. Difference that is -4. Now we have 0 minus 24. The value of T7 that is -24. This is the solution of this question. Now we will evaluate the question number 4th, 8th part. The 8th part that is -1, 1/2 -1/2 -1/2 -1/2. The squares of AP is -1/2 -1/2 -1/2 -1/2. तो T1 क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पे -1/2. T2 equal to -1/2. T3 equal to -1/2 and T4 that is equal to -1/2. Now T2 minus T1. T2 क्या है यहाँ पे -1/2 minus T1 -1/2. तो हमारे पास हो जाएगा ये -1/2 plus 1/2. that is equal to 0. T3 minus T2 minus 1 by 2 minus T2, that is minus 1 by 2. We have minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 0. Now T4 minus T3, T4 कितना है minus 1 by 2 minus T3, that is 1 by 2, तो यह आ जाएगा minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equivalent to 0. So T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3 equivalent to 0. So common difference is 0. Now we find the T5, T6 and T7. T5 equal to A plus N, 5 minus 1 D, A plus 4 D. तो A क्या है यहाँ पे minus 1 by 2, 4 डिफरेंस कितना है 0, तो यह आ जाएगा minus 1 by 2, तो T5 क्या आ जाएगा minus 1 by 2. Now we will find the T6. T6 क्या आएगा A plus N, 6 minus 1 D कितना है minus 0, A plus 5 into 0 A, तो A कितना आ गया minus 1 by 2, तो T6 आ गया minus 1 by 2. Now we will calculate the T7. A plus N minus 1 D, A plus 6 D, तो A कितना आ गया minus 1 by 2, 6 डिफरेंस 0 है, तो minus 1 by 2 आ गया. That is solution of this question.